Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can resume an upload that has been stuck. For example, you can see I was loading this. This usually happens when you have interrupted power or your browser crashes and it can no longer continue. So this one has been stuck for 2 minutes. So normally you will just cancel upload and re-upload again. But if it's a large file, for the example of this one, this file here, 0.98 GB, and it was maybe at 50% and it's stuck there, restarting again would be an issue. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come back to your dashboard, come here on, and you click on upload videos. And once you click on upload videos, you want to select the file and you want to select the same file it was, then click on open and it should resume. Yeah, on uploading 2%, no, it's just continuing from where it was. And if you come back here, it is the same upload and now it has continued. So if this did help you, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe bell, and if you have any issues related to tech, comment them below and I'll be sure to assist you. See you in the next one.